Hello my children, and welcome back to my channel. This is so good. I made some mashed potatoes, but like with sweet potato and some peppers and chorizo. So, it's been a minute. Ya sé que ha pasado mucho tiempo, but obviously I need to get back on my vlogs. Tengo que hacer mis vlogs de nuevo, ya. Okay. Starting now. Se empieza ahora. Yesterday, I had a facial, and so my skin is like doing that like purging thing that it does. So they did extractions. Bro, that hurts so bad. Me fui a hacer un facial y me sacaron todo, o sea, todo. Y qué bueno, porque en realidad nunca me había hecho uno. I've never had a facial done before, so this is my first time. And she gave me all these little samples. Me dio como un poquito de todo para que todo se me pueda sanar bien. So I'm hoping that it gets better. So I have a new hobby. Tengo un nuevo hobby. And I'm playing beach volleyball. I played a little volleyball in high school and I really enjoyed it, but I had no money to continue it outside of school. So like club teams and all that, little leagues, and yeah, I couldn't do it. But I mean, it was fine because I ended up doing dance, so it was cool. I'm really trying to invest in myself, you know? I'm trying to invest in hobbies. Not everything needs to be monetized. Y quiero ir a jugar voleibol. I looked up some classes, so I bought like a beginner's like season, which was, it's every Saturday. Since I'm not like a huge workout person and this is a great workout, I want to do it more often. So now I'm doing little like drop-in classes whenever I can. So today I have a class at 3 and it's now, I think it's almost 11, or it is 11 right now. So this is my breakfast, mashed potatoes. Okay, I'm heading out in like 30 minutes, but I feel like I gotta clean a little bit. It's so ugly here. So like I was talking about, I've just been like trying to invest more in hobbies and myself and just doing things that like really bring me happiness and that they don't have to be monetary. And I think that's so important to do because I don't want to live my life just worrying about work. And I am very privileged in my position right now. Because obviously before, like, you know, I have worked 3 jobs at a time. Like I have been just working myself to death before I could get to this point. I'm obviously very lucky that I even got to this point. You know, I never even thought that I would. So now I feel like it's a good time for me to enjoy my life because I'm still young, I'm healthy. I hate feeling like I'm only valid when I'm working or making money, and I feel like our generation, or maybe not our generation, but I guess the generation before us really instilled that in us, like always make money, always do this and that, and like we don't prioritize our mental health, we don't prioritize just having fun, being stupid, young, whatever it may be. And I want to bask in that because at some point I'm gonna be in my deathbed and I don't want to regret my years, you know? And it also feels so good playing volleyball. Like the first time, like I picked it up so fast. By the way, this bikini, before you guys ask me, the top is from Frankie's Bikinis, and then the bottom I'm wearing Unica, and then these are from LSKD. I don't know. Danny gave these to me because I think they were a little too small for her, so now I have them. Cute. So I'm gonna wear these shorts, probably gonna wear a hoodie because I don't think it's that warm out. Bueno, les contaba que ahora estoy jugando voleibol y me gusta mucho porque encuentro que todos estos años siempre me he enfocado mucho en trabajar y tener plata y estar bien y segura, todo eso. En vez de disfrutar mis años siendo joven, haciendo cosas que me gustan y no necesariamente ganando plata haciéndolo. We drove separately because I'll be staying for longer, but here's this girl. Hi. He decided to buy some food. Ooh, yes. We Postmated.
Not Postmates.
We got Postmates. And we're gonna eat.
Wow, it's so hot.
Sammy just left. I just found my class, so I'm gonna head over there. I'm so excited.
Picnic with my best friends. We start to plan what we will do. Now life's back in color and everything's feeling brand new. Well, I read that the French always say what's on their mind, leaving lipstick stains on tall glasses of wine. Practically invented being nonchalant for fun. They tear apart Voltaire just like afternoon croissants, strolling over bridges that were built in Renaissance. Isn't that what every romance loving 20-something woman wants?
If this makes me a child, I don't want to grow up.
Magic in the air as you're watching people dance by yourself.
What you doing?
Midnight in Paris.
Good morning. Buenos días. Ayer no filmé. I didn't record anything yesterday because honestly I just didn't feel like it. No tenía ganas, so I didn't. Pero today I actually have a lot of stuff to do. Hoy es un día full de trabajo y también me voy a hacer un tatuaje. I'm gonna go get a tattoo and it's also a full day of work. So I'm getting a tattoo literally right there. A las 3. A las 3 de la tarde, son las 9. So I'm gonna eat some breakfast, I'm gonna get ready. Me tengo que alistar para trabajar. So you're gonna see all of that. Okay, so I'm not naked, promise. I just made a few TikToks. Hice unos TikTok. But now this foundation looks good. Okay. 30 minutos voy a hacer otro TikTok because I need to like really. Me saqué una foto, ya las puse en Instagram. I'll show you. ¡Qué guapa! Okay. Who's commenting? Oh, period. Oh my gosh. I had the wrong time set for my tattoo. It was at 2, not at 3. Out the door. Grabbing the bag. It's gonna take me like 40 minutes. I was trying to be all responsible today, trying to do all my work. I need peanuts. Secure the peanuts. All right, I'll see y'all in my car. No sé si lo dije en español, pero casi se me olvidó la llave, concha tu madre. Ok, voy atrasada. Pensé que el tatuaje era a las 3, pero era a las 2. Y la artista me mandó un mensaje y le digo, uy, que ayer, no ayer, antes habíamos quedado a las 3. Eso tenía en mi mente. Como tan buena. There is 8 minutes of traffic, boy. Hay taco. 8 minutos de taco, weón. You know when you realize you ate a banana? Like, you know the realization that you ate something like mushy? Hay un teteo ahorita en un callejón con Kitty Bo. Alright friends, I'm all done. Ya terminé. Todo fue súper. I'm gonna leave Avalon's Instagram. I'm trying to find my keys. Her Instagram on my bio if y'all wanna check her out. It's so loud. Okay, llegué a la casa. I'm home. I'm gonna open these CBD gummies, mint. Is this gonna get me high? I'm about to make some rice. Quiero hacerme un arrocito porque tengo un salmón. I have salmon and I really want to eat that. Vamos a hacer el arrocito. I'm gonna make my little rice. I have issues. Honestly, oh look, my arm is wrapped. Oh, it's coming down already. Fuck, sis. Ooh, ow. Fuck. I'm be honest, I think I'm gonna switch this into a like a second skin action so I don't have to worry about it because ay, me dolió un poquito. Okay. Ay. Okay, we got our salmon with a little ricey rice. Why do I look like a teacher? First, took off the band. She's so pretty. Oh, love her. Amazing. Great addition to the arm. My mom's coming tomorrow night actually. Good morning. Buenos dias. I'm gonna go to play volleyball. I slept in only a little bit. Dormí un poquitito más. I needed it. Lo necesitaba. So now I'm gonna go. Quick little outfit of the day. Okay, well, we have some leggings. These are Fashion Nova Sport, and they're very comfy. Honestly, I feel like they don't really do much for the booty, but that's okay. I'm stuck in traffic once again. Hay harto taco, tráfico, tapón. En Puerto Rico se dice tapón, porque Carlos me dijo, for some reason, the shortest way possible is to go through the traffic. That don't make no sense. That don't make no sense to me. That bad. It's like red, yellow, red, yellow. I was trying to say red leather, yellow leather. Anyways, all right, bye. Hi. Oh my God. Estoy muerta. I'm dead. The tattoo survived. I ended up putting, can you see? I ended up putting like second skin on it so that I could protect it from the sand. Home, I have sand all over. There was this one part, there was this drill where we were supposed to dig the ball. What am I, from New Jersey? We were supposed to dig the ball and I go for it, but I'm like fully reaching out my arm, and so I have to flip. Sand all over my fucking hair. My mom doesn't know what a vlog is. Vlog. So vlog, mommy, vlog. Vlog.
I know that.
Vlog.
Now I know. Yeah, I didn't understand your pronunciation. Sorry about that.
She's here.
Yes, I am.
And she's gonna go to my volleyball session with me.
Yeah, I have to, hit some balls.
Pero last night she was like, pero yo no voy a jugar, ¿cierto? She was scared she was gonna play. You can just look pretty.
¿Dónde hay que mirar? Ok, que me carga como cuando después sale y como que tú miras a otro lado. Me estaba mirando porque, o sea,
You're in your own movie. It's como tu coming of age movie. You're here to journal about your life, self-care. Mi mami es como una adolescente. Viendo sus fotos. Y eso no es lo que tenía. Happy Thanksgiving! I don't like this holiday. I made pancakes. Me hice panqueques, pero no de los panqueques que es, no los panqueques chilenos, así como tipo crepes. Que yo le pongo manjar y todo. Estos son los panqueques americanos. Porque ese era el mix que tenía. I had like regular pancake mix, so I didn't make crepes. I will not be doing anything. I refuse to work today. Honestly, I might edit this video, but I'm gonna go hang out with Sammy for a little bit because she's also home for Thanksgiving. So we're the only ones without our families, but it's fine. Like honestly, I personally don't care about Thanksgiving, so I don't care. I treat this as any other day. Are you decent? Yes. Well, we are celebrating Christmas, and we have a coochie board. A very unhealthy one.
It looks so good.
It looks really cute.
I didn't think it was gonna look that cute.
But there's no like fruit, no nothing. We are.
Oh wait, do I have olives?
But we have manchego, we have brie, we have cookies and crackers and M&Ms and olives.
Where should I put the olives?
Sorry, King. I
And a dog.
just punched him in the face. I'm sorry, buddy. All right, so
ready?
we are playing.
Oh.
Yes.
And basically, I'm gonna pick up a card and it's gonna have a word on it, and I have 11 seconds to think of a song that has
The word in it. Bing bong. Okay.
We see these dogs out from the side of your yard. Now it's going down upstairs.
Bing bong.
Bing bong. It's booty. Booty.
Are you singing the song now? 5 seconds.
Booty. Hit the booty do. Hit the booty do.
Booty.
Rockin' everywhere. Booty,
Oh,
booty,
that's
booty,
another one
rockin'
too.
everywhere.
Yeah, I was singing
What
another
you
one.
was
Mine goes. Okay. Goes, you say you like my booty and I know you wanna do me. I said booty.
This.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
He's fucking me out. Wait, this is a cat. This kid.
Love has taken its toll on me. Shake. Is it going?
Go.
Shake it off. Shake it off.
Hey.
Wait.
Wait. Oh no.
Why wait? From Cheetah Girls.
You got it.
Wait, how does it go? The music is what we made.
What? Stop it.
So why wait? Oh, aquí estás conmigo para vivir y cumplir tus sueños.
Fight. I'm gonna knock the pussy out like fight night.
Hit it with a left hook, hit it with a right hook.
Heart.
Okay.
My achy breaky heart.
Help. Done. Help. I
Need somebody.
Help. Hey. I saw a TikTok of this girl. She was like, I'm almost positive that not everyone in this community can do this. It's the butthole mouth. And she goes, King, can you do a butthole mouth?
He is a butthole mouth.
Do you know a song with ratchet in it? Yes.
What?
She ratchet, that's why I'm pregnant. And you the pappy. Does that count? No. You never seen it?
What?
Emmanuel? Asking all them questions.
Oh, asking all them questions.
Why you asking all them questions? Making statements. Assuming.
I'm a savage.
Duh.
Bougie.
Ratchet. Hi. I always forget to do outros for my videos, so this is what it is. Thank you for watching. I hope you're having a wonderful day or whenever you're watching this. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.